In the last two parts, we walked you through how to transcribe and caption your video. In this part, we'll be discussing how to export your work. Let's start by exporting our work as subtitles. Subtitles are captions that have been burnt into your video. This means they can't be turned off by the viewer. This may be the preferred option if you're uploading your video to social media where your audience will be watching without sound. In Closed Caption Creator, you can export video with subtitles by going to File, Export, and selecting Video File from the options list. Next, select a target folder where you would like your video to be saved. You will also need to select a preset depending on the platform you'll be uploading to. You can choose from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, and more. Click the Export button once you're ready, and the video will begin exporting with burnt-in subtitles.
Governed by the efforts of others. We go into space because whatever mankind must undertake.
Some platforms allow users to upload subtitle files in different file formats such as SRT or VTT. This is considered closed captioning because the viewer will have the option to hide the captions if they prefer. Closed captioning is not only limited to SRT or VTT files. Many television broadcasters require specific broadcast formats such as SCC, SCL, or MCC. In order to export a sidecar caption file, you can go to File, Export, and select Subtitle File from the list of options. Closed Caption Creator provides support for a number of different caption file formats. Start by selecting the file extension you wish to use, followed by the correct profile. Some extensions have multiple profile options. Click Export once you're ready. You're now ready to deliver your completed captions to your client or project manager for review. Closed Caption Creator does support the option to collaborate with team members to make the review process easier. This workflow is outside the scope of this course, but will be covered in a future video. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the different options for exporting your work. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. This is the third video in our Captioning for Beginners series. Subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new videos, or go back and watch part 1 and 2.